Today is January 16th, Thursday. This is the 1959 right-hand headlamp bezel edge trim. This is going to be going to my friend George Gonzalez in California. The unit is in very good condition. This is the original hexavalent chrome. This is not a restored or re-chromed part. This is the right-hand variant as designated by part number 147240RH for right hand, right there. Okay, and this will be shipping out today, or as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. And it's a beautiful chrome edge trim for the front headlamps, right-hand passenger side of the 1959 Cadillac. Today is Thursday, January 16th. This is George in Florida. I have over 250,000 original vintage 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels and the steering columns. Thank you very kindly.